How to sell put on Robinhood. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can sell put on Robinhood. So selling put option on Robinhood involves few steps. First of all, you need to access the option trade. So for that, you need to log in. And after that, once you're logged in, you need to navigate to EFTs or stocks. So once you locate the EFTs or stocks, you need to go ahead and select the trade button located right at the bottom. After that, you need to tap on it in order to access the option chain. So make sure that your account is verified. Unless and until if your account is not verified, you'll not be able to continue the process. So once you've done that, you need to select the expiry date and the strike price for the put option you want to sell. The strike price is the price at which you are willing to buy the underlying asset if assigned. Now go ahead and select sell and put option. After that, you need to enter the quantity of puts option you want to sell. Review the details of the put option you're selling, including strike price, premium and expiry date as well. Then confirm the trade. Keep an eye on the option performance. You can close the position. So that's basically how you can sell put on Robinhood. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.